Hey there, this is Neil Napier and welcome to the demo of GoTraffic. Now this is a very quick walkthrough to show you exactly what GoTraffic can do for you. In short, GoTraffic will help you leverage pre-created content or content prompts and automatically post it to many different social media accounts at the same time. So you can start by creating a workspace. Workspace is basically an environment for your business. Then you can have different projects where you can have multiple different posting schedules. So for example, I've got in Workspace Mailview over here, and under projects, I've got my own project and I've got a project for Mailview, Evergreen Marketing, and then one for each month, which will be very important in a second. And this is where you can create your posts as well. Now, before I get to that, one of the easiest things you can do with GoTraffic is come to 365 projects, and you will see that we have pre-created a lot of the content for you based on the relevant days that are on based on the calendar. And you can very quickly click on schedule for 365 days and it will schedule a post for all of those days within a given workspace. And you can also then schedule them to your fan pages, your groups, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, and Reddit as well. Once you do that, this is what it looks like. So right now I have deactivated all of them, but I can quickly go in and activate this one as well. And then now the post can start going out in the month of January. If I go to manage posts, you can see these are all the posts that have been created for each day of the month. I can also go in and check out more information about this one. So it's going to Facebook page and Twitter feed. And again, this one's going to do a Facebook page and Twitter feed as well. If I wanted to view it, I can go in here, edit it, and view exactly what this looks like. So you could have posts with text and images, so on and so forth. If you want to create your own post, it's quite simple. Go into manage post. You can create your post right over here. Enter a title, press enter, and you can now start creating your post. You have a few different options, which could be text, image, text with image, video, or text with video. You can pick one or multiple fan pages that you've connected. You can also post to the groups that you are part of, that you are managing, because you do need to use an app that goes into the group as well. So you can't post into just any random group, that'd be spamming, but you can post into groups where you have permission to make automated posts. Then you can also post on Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, as well as Reddit. So you can literally take the same post and post it across multiple social media accounts immediately or over time. So I'd use the schedule feature to post these posts over time. Then we also have a built-in image editor, which is similar to Canva, which allows you to essentially create and work on images so that you can also use those images in your social media posts. So let's go for this one. We're also going to have a lot of templates for you in the near future, but if you wanted to start with a blank template, you can as well. And you can use these dimensions and start creating your images as well. So that's it. As you can see, GoTraffic is a very powerful tool that you can use to get traffic from your social media assets back to your blogs, your money pages, opt-in pages, and all of those. If there's anything you'd like, you can always reach out to us and ask about it. Otherwise, go ahead and get access to GoTraffic immediately.